traders, Mirjan Hipólito here, your Forex and crypto expert from Traders Union. Today, we are diving into a detailed review of Binolla, a binary options broker that's gaining attention. Is Binolla worth your time and money? Let's find out together. What is Binolla? Binolla is a binary options trading platform designed for traders looking for quick profits. It offers a simplified way to trade on asset price movements. You predict whether the price will go up or down within a certain time frame. Simple concept, right? But how reliable is the platform? Let's take a closer look at its key features and credibility. Binolla offers a user-friendly interface, making it accessible even for beginners. Here are some highlights. Trading options. You can trade binary options across popular assets like Forex pairs, stocks, and commodities. Minimum deposit. The platform requires a low minimum deposit, making it suitable for new traders. Payouts. Competitive payouts that can go up to 85% for successful trades. Demo account. New users can practice with a demo account before risking real money. But remember, binary options are high risk, so always trade responsibly. Here are the pros and cons of Binolla. Pros. User-friendly for beginners. Low minimum deposit. Competitive payouts. Demo account available. Cons. Limited educational resources. High risk due to the nature of binary options. Binolla's intuitive and minimalist interface is ideal for beginners, allowing users to focus on trading rather than navigation. Basic functions, charts, and trade openings are just a couple of clicks away, reducing confusion. The clean design avoids unnecessary elements, keeping tools and analytics easily accessible. Even the mobile version is user-friendly, enabling smooth market tracking and trading on the go. I chose Binolla for its low $10 minimum deposit and demo account, perfect for beginners. The platform offers ready-made signals and high profitability on some currency pairs, up to 92%, though predicting price movements is still tricky. Withdrawals via crypto wallets take about 24 hours, which is reasonable. While passive income options are limited, the platform's simplicity and accessibility make it a solid choice for new traders. So, is Binolla worth it? If you're looking for a simple way to trade binary options and are comfortable with the risks, it might be a good platform to try. Just remember to start small and trade wisely. For a full written review and other broker comparisons, visit tradersunion.com. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions in the comments below. This is Mirjan Hipólito, and I'll see you in the next review. Happy trading!